Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a Ginza Mary. Now, this is a variation of the Bloody Mary with some sake added. That's where you get the Ginza. So we're going to start off by taking our ice and mixing it into our mixing glass right here. And then we're going to go 2 parts of vodka to 1 part of sake. Or one way to look at it, I'm going to do 1.5 ounces of vodka to 3/4 ounce of sake. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is going to give us our desired pour of 1.5 ounces. And for our 3/4 ounce, you really just got to eye it out. You don't want to go over too heavy, but just a little bit. From there, we're going to add in our tomato juice to the top. You're going to want to get your highball glass ready with ice. And then you're going to shake all these ingredients together. You're also going to want to add a splash of lime to this. That's going to really release some of the flavors as you strain it into the highball. And there, just strain directly in. Don't forget the straw. As a garnish, lime will work really well. And there's your Ginza Mary. Enjoy.